Fatma, how are you? Good. So, how was your day? It was very enjoying. Is something special? Is something special? You went to the market with whom? Okay, you went to the market. You went every morning to the market with school. And what about water park? You went every day to water park with school. Okay. And what time do you get up? 8 o'clock. Okay. And what is the first thing do you after you wake up? What is the first? That's very nice. Do you make your own bed? Do you make your bed on by yourself? No, your bed. When you wake up, did you make your bed by yourself or your mother made it? I think you helped your mother in making the bed. Oh, really? Can you make a dinner or a supper for your family? It's a very big responsibility. Oh, teach you how to cook. Okay, would you like to tell us what you can cook? Wow, that's so sweet. You can bake cake and pizza and you can make milkshake. Wow, that's good. That's very nice. Well done. You are a big girl. Good. Great. So let's wait for the other kids. Let them come, then we begin the class. Yes, I like. But why it's off shoulder today? Okay, this is the other one. Okay. Hello, Kartikesh. Welcome to the class. Maham, say hello to Kartikesh. Good afternoon, dear. How are you? Maha Kartikesh is saying good afternoon to you. That's good. So, how was your day, Kartikesh? It was fine. Do you have a haircut? Do you have a haircut? It's look very nice. It suits you. Okay, good. So, Kartikesh, tell us what is the first thing you do after you wake up? Hello, Nafi and Shafi. Welcome to the class. That's very nice. Well done. Okay. Hello, Nafi. Hello, Shafi. Welcome to the class. Okay. So let's begin with our circle time. Who is going to tell me how many continents are there? Yes, dear. Very good. Seven continents. Name them. Well done, Kartikesh. Yes, ma'am, there are seven continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, and Europe. Okay, yes, Nafi and Shafi, tell us the name of the continents. How many continents are there? Yes, yes, Nafi and Shafi. Can, can Nafi and Shafiq, can you please tell us the name of the continents? Asia. Okay, all of you repeat after me. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Australia, Antarctica, and Europe. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Australia, and Europe. Yes, Nafi Shafi. Very good, Kartikesh, and well done. Okay, now tell me, Kartikesh, will you please sit down? Sit nicely, be careful. Okay, now tell me how many months in a year? Name them. Okay, very good. And how many days in a week? Very good. Now tell me how many hours in a day? Very good. There are 24 hours in a day. Well done. And how many minutes are there in 1 hour? 60 minutes. Well done. 60 minutes. Well done. Well done. Okay, now let's start our reading. Let's begin with the reading. Okay, do you hear the voice? Okay, did you hear the voice? Okay, once again, I'm going to ask you, can you hear the voice? Okay, I'm going to play it again. Please listen very carefully and clearly. Okay, now can you hear the voice? Okay. Okay. Now this is the ow sound. Ow. 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 When O and U come together, they make the sound ow. Ow. What is the sound? What is the sound? Ow. Ow. Sh. Out. Shout. It. Out. Ow. Out. L. Out. Loud. Ow. Mouth. L. Ow. Round. Ound. Found. Sh. Out. Shout. Okay. Okay, Kartikesh, can you please read? First of all, tell me what is the sound. Kartikesh, please wait. It's shout it out. Shout it out. Okay, now please start reading. Please, please be quiet. Kartikesh is reading right now. Well done, Kartikesh. Clapping for Kartikesh. Okay, Mahan, your turn. First of all, tell me what is the sound? Ow. What is the sound? What is the sound? Ow. Repeat. Repeat. Ow. Very good. Now please start reading. Round. R. Ow. D. Round. Well done. Clapping for Maham. Okay, Shafi, your turn. Tell me what is the sound? Well done. Shout it out. Please be quiet. Shafi is reading right now. It's ound. Well done. Clapping for Shafi. Yes, Shafi, your turn. Shout. It's shout out. Shout. Excellent, Nafe. Clapping for Nafe. Well done. So, what is the sound? Ow. All together. What is the sound? Well done. Excellent. So, children, as you know, yesterday we read some words that end with magical E. We learn about the words magical E. Today we will learn some more words with magical E, with long A and silent E. Magical E means silent E. When the E comes at the end of the word, it does not say its sound. It keeps silent. So let's read some more words with that. Yeah, magically keeps silent. It stays silent. Okay, do you hear the voice? Okay. Okay, can you please read? When. And when we add the magical E at the end, it will become vain. Vain. Because when the E comes at the end, the vowel say its name. What is the vowel? Which one is the vowel in this word? A. A is the vowel. So when the magical E comes at the end, the vowel in the word say its name, not the sound. Okay? It says its name. What is the name of this vowel? A. Excellent. Very good. A. And sound is A. But here it is not going to say its sound. It's going to say its name. So we read it like this. V, A, N. And E will remain silent. Vain. V, A, N. Vain. This is how we will read. Vain. Okay. Can. Very good. And when we add the magical E at the end, it no K, we have to say the name. What is the name? K, A, A. We say A. A is the name of the vowel. A. N. So we read it like this. K, N. A. A. Cane. So basically these words are with long A and short E. Cane. Cane. The cane. Man. Very good. And when we eat the magical E at the end, main. Well done. Excellent. Main. Main. Okay. Yes, Kartikesh, can you please read this word? Tap. And when we add the magical E in it, the vowel in this word say its name. It may become tape. 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 Kartikesh, what is the vowel in this? Which one is the vowel in this word? Plan. Very good. It's plan. Yes, Kartikesh. What is the Kartikesh? What is the vowel in this word? Plane. Plan. 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 Kartikesh. What is the vowel? Which one is the vowel in this word? Plan. A. Very good. Very good. Excellent. A. And when we add the E at the end, it becomes plain. A. The A will say its name. Let's read now. Okay, all of you read please. Cat, cave, cave. Well done. Rat, wait. Okay, Maham, your turn. Can you please read the last word? Yes. Mad. Very good. And when we add the E, now read the word. Made. Aid. A is going to say its name. A. Aid. Aid. Made. Okay, let's read more words. Nam. Yes, Kartikesh. Can you please read the word? Read the name. Gat. Gate. Very good. Well done. Excellent job. Excellent. Now let's do our English worksheet now. Okay, in today's class, we will make a sandwich. We will, yummy sandwich. We will discuss the correct sequence of making a sandwich. The sandwich of your choice. So tell me, when we will start making a sandwich, what will we do first? What what things we need to make a sandwich? Yes? Yes. Okay. Right. Okay, is the screen is visible? Okay. Write the procedure for making a sandwich in the correct sequence. So, yes, Nafe, can you please read? Finally, finally. Well done. Excellent, Nafe. So, Shafe, tell me which sentence will come first. All these sentences are unsequenced. So, we have to put these sentences in sequence. So, tell me which sentence will come first. Excellent. Very good. Yes, Kartikesh. Which sentence come next? After that, what will we do? First, we take two slices of bread. After that, what will we do? Yes, read carefully, read the sentences carefully, and please tell us which sentence will come after that. Butter both the slices. Well done. Okay. Yes, Maham. After that, what will we do? Which sentence come after that? First, take two slices of bread, butter both the slices. After that, Okay. After that, place some tomato slices, or you will going to then put a slice of cheese on the bread. This will come next. Okay, so our third sentence is then put a slice of cheese on the bread. Very good. Yes, Nafe, can you tell us what comes after that? Yes, very good. After that, place some tomato slices and lettuce on the cheese. And in the last, we will write, finally put the other slice on top. Okay, very good. Excellent. So this is how you will do the English worksheet. Now let's see. Okay, if someone is going to sing the rhyme, please. Yes, please go ahead. Very good. Clapping for Maham, please. Very good. Well done, class. Well done. Okay, now this is your science class. So in today's class, we will discuss how much it is important to observe your surroundings. Observing things closely increase your knowledge and increase your focus as well. So it is very important whenever you are, wherever you are, it is very important to always focus on your surroundings. Always notice the things that is happening around you. Right now, Kartikesh, would you tell me what is behind you? You notice it? That's very good. Yes, Kartikesh, would you tell me what is behind your chair right now? What is over there? Sofa. And what is the color of that sofa? Okay, can you see what is behind me right now? Yes, very good pictures. Yes, Nafi and Safe. Okay, painting at book. Very good. So this is how you always keep you have to focus on the things that are going around you. So let's see. Okay, now we are going to do the science worksheet. Okay, mom, do you see the screen? Okay, will you please, can you please read the sentences? Which, WH sound verb, which of the following are observations you can make about the bird in the picture using your sense of sight? So in this, what we will use our sense of sight. Okay, which body part we use for the sense of sight? Eyes, excellent. Well done. And mark each one with true or false. Everybody look at the picture very carefully. I'm giving you 1 minute. Just look at the picture carefully and observe each and every part of this bird. Observe what is the color of that bird. Look at the beak. Is beak is small or big, long? What is the color of its eyes? Is it very furry, fluffy? Very good. Okay. Okay. Are you done? Are you done? All of you? Okay. No, let's start. Let's see how observe. Let's judge. Let's judge your observation. Okay. Okay. Good. It has dark and light color feathers. Is it true or false? It's true. Yes, it's true. So we marked T over here. Well done. Okay, it is smelly. Yes, false. Because we can't smell a picture. Okay. It has wings. True. True. Okay, Kartikesh, thank you. Plus, but please wait for your turn. It's the rule of the class. You must wait for your turn. Okay, Kartikesh, tell me. It eats insects. Yes, Kartikesh? It's true. Yes, you're right. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, Maham, it has wings. Well done. Yes, Shafe, it can sing. It can sing. Do this bird sing? What is the name of this bird? Toucan. Yes, this is toucan. Very good. This is toucan. So, tell me, do toucan sing? Well done. No, false. So it will be false. It is sitting on a branch. Yes, Shafe. Shafe. It is sitting on a branch. Yes, very good. It is sitting on a stone. It is not sitting on a branch. Good. Yes, Maham, it is cold. How you know that it is cold? Because we can't, only we can judge it by touching it. And right now we can't touch it. Okay. It has a shrill call. Are you sure? Okay. It has a long tail. True. Okay, it has a long tail. It has a large beak. True. Yes, it's true. Very good. Excellent. So your observation is much better. That's very good. That's very good, guys. Well done, my students. Well done. Excellent job. Okay, now let's quickly reinforce the weathers. Waiting time. Right now, this is the waiting time. Okay, what date is today? What date is today? 21st of 21st of what is the month? October. Very good. Today is 21st of October. And what is the day? Wednesday. Good. Okay, don't tell me. Sunny, rainy, freezing, windy, hot, thunder, thunder, cloudy, cloudy or partly cloudy sometimes. Tornado, 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 cold, noise, diesel, dizzling, dizzling or diesel. R should be silent in it. Diesel. Very good. Excellent. Okay, who is going to tell me what activity we will do today? If you know that it's activity time, you must know what. Yes? Bubble wrap. Today we will do the painting with the bubble wrap. What about you, Kartikesh? Okay, quickly bring it. Yes, Nafi and Shafe, what about you? You don't have a bubble wrap. Then go and get a sponge. Yeah, go and get a sponge. Very good, excellent. Okay, Kartikesh, first you have to cut a square from this bubble wrap. Cut a square or a circle. You need one shape. Circle or square, it up to you. Yes, Nafi Shafi. Nafi Shafi, please turn on your video. Turn on your video. Yes, you do. You even don't have the sponge. We need paints. Do you have paints? Do you have paints? Nafi Shafi, do you have paints? It's about a month, Nafe Shafe. At least you can buy the primary color of the paints. But you can buy at least the primary color na, for you. You can also keep it at home. It's not illegal. Very good. Now, take up your, show me your paint. Show me the color of your paint. Okay, very good. Now take out your paintbrush. You okay, Kartikesh? You have blue and yellow. Okay. So first of all, what we do? Take your paintbrush. Have you? Did you cut the Shape, Kartikesh? You don't need to cut the sponge, Maham. It's okay. Very good. What is it? Okay, it's a square. Well done, Kartikesh. Now, please take the paintbrush and apply the paint on one side of the bubble wrap. On one side of it, on which we have the bubbles. Kartikesh, you have to apply the paint on the side where there is a bubble. Okay, not at the plain side of the wrap. You have to apply the paint on the side where there are bubbles, okay? Not on the plain side. Which color are you applying right now, Kartikesh? Yeah, very good. Excellent, Maham. Like this. Okay. Apply the color on one side of it. Nafi and Shafi try to buy the color for paint color for you. At least you can buy red primary colors, red, blue and yellow. But you can, okay, but Nafi, you can buy another one for you, which you can keep at home. Only three colors, red, yellow and blue and a paintbrush. Because at least for painting you need all these things. Okay, very good, Maham. Maham, you also need the paint colors. You have watercolors, but you also need the poster paints. That paints are called poster paints. They come in the tubes or in the bottles. Okay, apply the color on the one side of the sheet. Okay, Kartikesh, have you done? Okay, do it. That's great. Now show me your paper, bubble paper. Show me your bubble wrap. Kartik, it's okay. Mama, you do it. It's okay, you do it. Show me your bubble wrap, Kartikesh. Now place the painted side. Now paste the painted side on the white sheet. Pick up your bubble wrap and paste the painted side on the white A4 paper sheet. Paste it. You also, Maham, paste the yes, very good. Now paste it on the A4 paper sheet. Okay. Kartikesh, it's better to dilute your colors into the water when you were painting. Now press it, Kartikesh. Press it. Press, and it will make a pattern on your paper. Nafi and Shafi, you still have cold? Very good. Excellent. Excellent, Kartikesh. Excellent. Now apply the other color on the bubble wrap. The other color is yellow. Well done. You can also cut another shape with the bubble wrap, and you can apply the other color on that shape if you want to. And if you want to apply, you can also apply the yellow color on the same bubble wrap. It's up to you. This, yes, yes, no, put stamp, paste it on the paper and press. Very good, Maham. Well done, well done. Do it again, Maham. Wow, Maham, you use multicolors. Well done. Kartikesh, you can also use the multicolors at the same bubble wrap. Yes, you can paste it at many times. Yeah, please use different colors. Well done, Kartikesh and Maham, a star for you. And now, Nafia Chafia, please clap for Kartikesh and Maham because they always complete their activities. Well done. Well done, Kartikesh and Maham. Okay, Kartikesh, now can you show me your paper, please? Mom, as it is your sponge, so when you paste the pattern on the paper, you need to press the sponge hard. Okay? Yeah. Very good, Kartikesh. Excellent. Please clapping for Kartikesh. Excellent, Kartikesh. Okay, this is how you can cut the bubble wrap into a very good Maham. Please clapping for Maham. You can also cut the bubble wrap in apple shape, in orange shape, and you can make different paintings with this. Okay? Just carry on with your painting. I will see you tomorrow. Okay? I will meet you tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye, Kartikesh.